everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today, I am going to make a tutorial on how to download Netflix for free. Yes, you heard it right. How to download Netflix for free. And if you're curious about this, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and do not skip the video or the tutorial. Okay, so this is, I downloaded this earlier and I realized that I need to make a video for this because I know all of you need this, and since I have that experience when I try to download this on the Play Store, it says that I need to pay for it. But now we can watch movies on Netflix without paying anything. So before we start the tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Okay, now we need to open our app. Where is it? The app, my very favorite app, HappyMod. Let's just open this. I always use this, and you can also use this every day when you want to download anything like games or anything else that you want to be playing for free. Just like my other tutorials, I make tutorials for games like how to have unlimited money, and it works properly for me and for other people, not just for me. Now let's just wait and search for Netflix. So I downloaded this app. As you can see, I already I don't know. Some of the comments says that it works for them, and I know that they are correct because I tried it and it works. You can see that you just need to install this Netflix, which is, it says, latest version. I don't think if this works because it's only 33% working, so you need to try this Netflix VR than this Netflix, just Netflix. It says just Netflix. So I downloaded this, but I downloaded this. Sorry. And now after I installed the app, I am going to try to open this. Okay. It appears just like this. Let's try this series Wednesday if it really works. But to be honest, I already tried this earlier and watch if it is really working because I'm searching for movies because I'm so bored and my head hurts. I need some comforts from movies. See? It's working. It's very clear, as you can see. It's very clear. So try it, guys, if it also works for you, and comment below about how it works or if it doesn't work, so I can help you. Okay, let's help each other. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this works. Bye.